do we want to walk and be like, follow me, you know, like, and then do like a speed up walk? Now, come on, I'll show you something really cool. Ooh, my head. Do you want me to look into the camera? I ain't got no hair. What's going on, guys? This is Nick Luckett again with Vivid Landscape and Lighting, and we have something special to show you here today. At the property here behind me, we got a 120-foot driveway that we downlit with lights placed in the tree, and what that's going to do is it's going to show moonlighting effects. And what's really cool about that is every single night, it's going to be a giant moon in your backyard every single night. Real quick, if you take a look at the driveway here, you can already see shadows now during the day. Now what we do is we mimic that look at night, every single night. With the lights placed in the tree shining through the branches and leaves, we see the perfect shadow of light illuminated across the driveway all the way to the entrance. And what is in front of the lens is a glare shield. The reason why I put that on there is to prevent any type of glare from when you're driving up the entrance or exiting. So what's really cool about this little patio and the banister up top on the second floor is that we have got some custom-made lights that are about 1.5 inches in diameter by 1 inch that we placed up top to illuminate the banister and the post all the way around. The reason why we chose to do the lighting here on the brick columns and the banister is just a little added feature that we thought would be perfect to light up and showcase for our client. All right, so the reason why I brought you to another location is I have something special for your pool lovers out there. Now what we did here is we installed some surface mounted core drilled lights all in and around the pool deck here. Now what this does is it provides just enough ambient light that travels across the ground so you can see your walkway in and around the pool without stubbing your toe on anything. The structure of the fixture is stainless steel, preventing it from rusting and lasting about 25 to 30 years. My favorite thing about these lights is the fact that you can literally drive over them. They're not just made for pool decks. You can put them along your driveway, your walkway. You can literally drive over them and they do not break. You have to use an integrated light. No more changing bulbs. If you don't, then you're putting a light in the concrete and you're worried about when is it gonna go out? When's it gonna burn out? It's gonna burn out in a year or two. And then you have to worry about your concrete. Continue with our niche lights. What we have here is a special little mini light that we have illuminated on each hole here on your putting green. So what's really special about these lights is that it illuminates just enough for you to play golf at night. How cool is that? They blend into the landscape, into the rock, and you really don't see them during the day. A lot of people think that these fixtures are made of copper, but in fact, this is actually a virgin marine grade brass fixture. The sun will bake this fixture, that's brass, and it will become lighter in color to give it that nice shiny look. I don't like how I said look. Look. I said that so weird. Why did I do that? Giving you that nice sheen, shiny look. I think I nailed that one. What's really special about these downlights here is that we placed a glare shield or a louver on each fixture to block that light source. So when you're outside enjoying the pool or jumping in the spa or out here grilling, you're not seeing that light source like a beam angle shooting into your eyeballs, just the ambiance. I really love not just illuminating the garage doors, but your entrance. Your entrance should always be properly lit for not just security reasons, but the ambiance and feel of that warm, inviting feeling when you have guests come over to your home. I sell lights based upon what my client needs, not what I think they should need. You know, what do they need for their house to match their lifestyle, to match their backyard? It's all what's best for them. You know, you could put a drop-in fixture in and around your pool. The problem is you're just not going to be happy in 2 years. Thank you for joining me again. This is Nick Luckett with Vivid Landscape and Lighting. Your future is bright with Vivid. What should I do with my hands? I don't like the...
See how you're standing?
That's not it. Nope, that's not it. I got all the way to the end and I forgot what I was gonna say. Try not to look at the camera. Do I gotta like start over?
No, you can start wherever.